There's also a website called Bonanza for the US sellers. You're gonna get like an extra 10%, maybe 15% in sales just by like integrating pushing all your eBay listings to Bonanza, yeah? Right. Like they have like one click import from like your entire eBay store. Because the way Bonanza works is the way they advertise is they push everything to Google Shopping. And then Google Shopping like just gets organic traffic from online, yeah? So anybody who wants to kind of just make an extra 10%, like that's a way, yeah?
I just had some Poshmark things. I don't know if this is appropriate time for it. Like just
Yeah,
some
go for it.
suggestions for it. So for like Poshmark, you know how like we try to increase the quantity. So the way it works is like usually when it posts an item and then the item sells, you have to like copy the listing. So to increase the quantity, at least for me, maybe if anyone has any experience, it doesn't work. Like I can't actually increase the quantity because you have to like copy the listing and all that stuff.
Put it back to stock, yeah?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Gotcha. Gotcha. In this case, I would say to like message like these updates to Ben because
Gotcha,
then he
gotcha.
kind of like lets me know and then we add it, yeah?
For sure, for sure. I got you. All right, I'll let him know then. I'll send him like everything.
Yeah, how's the Poshmark going though?
Good, smooth, smooth. I like eBay more, but it's smooth. Because now in the last month I've had so many issues with like customers just complaining about getting drop shipped and like they're lying their asses off and like it's been bad now. I've had to like two
Right.
step items, so it's been really annoying, but it's going really well. I mean, I have like 40K items listed, so it's
Wow.
yeah.
That's done.
Yeah, it is. I
So
sometimes
how is that working though? Like how many sales do you get from that?
I think like at least 3 a day, but it can go up to like 10. So 3 to
Gotcha.
10 a day. I think the weekends are higher.
Brother,
And
you really scaled, man.
yeah, yeah, yeah. I mean,
Good stuff.
I'm just moving it, I'm just
Yeah.
constantly listing every day and posting every day. So
Gotcha.
yeah,
I,
I'm just
I
that's all I'm doing, scaling, bro.
I got a question for y'all, yeah?
Yeah,
What do you
yeah.
guys think about TikTok shops?
Good, man. What do you mean? Of course.
You know,
I'm ready to go anywhere with you, bro.
okay. I'm telling you, like I've been like for the last year and a half, I've been craving to start like TikTok shops, yeah? But we just never
Yeah.
did because eBay is not done yet. You know what I mean?
So why TikTok shop over, let's say, Amazon, like Amazon itself?
Oh, Amazon is like a whole different beast in itself though. Like it
Yeah,
wouldn't be compatible with the bulk theory. I mean, I guess you could, but like what we do is we create new listings,
yeah,
right? Same as like Poshmark, you can do that in Mercari,
yeah.
Facebook Marketplace.
Hmm,
Amazon is
hmm.
like you'd have to wait to get approved every time you make a brand new listing. It's just tough.
Yeah, it's annoying as hell. I get it. TikTok shop has its own issues too. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
I think they all do. But yeah, I'm excited to see what you do with it. So
Yeah, no, I
yeah,
hear you. Like the thing that the thing what I'm asking is like with who's like willing to kind of go down that journey so that way they can just like the Poshmark is being cultivated.
me, I'm already banned on it, but I got my account back, so whatever.
Okay, all
But
right,
I keep coming back from the dead. I don't know what's going on. Like,
that's good. So if you can round up like 5 people or so that's gonna like willing to cultivate like the
yeah,
TikTok shops, we can do like
yeah.
an integration. And then just like by the way, I'm not sure what's going on, but right now like the Poshmark is in the beta, so it shouldn't be taking any credits. So for anyone who's starting like the Poshmark journey, you can just go back inside the post and earn and then request it back, yeah, while we're in the beta.
Even the AI, the
Yeah,
Optimist.
yeah, exactly.
Oh shit. Okay. Okay.
Just because it's so new, like it's better if like the community kind of starts like cultivating the method. So like I don't want to put any restrictions on that right now.
How do
Yeah.
you
Yeah, go ahead.
how do you do the Poshmark with the e-commerce sniper?
There's Ben has a separate group that he kind of where all the guys who are interested in Poshmark they can join. Yeah. So I'd say like hit him up, and then he'll put you in that Poshmark group.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Sounds
Yeah, yeah. If you're willing to like join that journey, like it's like another income that's just waiting to happen. Yeah. Farouk, like in this case, like if you can round up like 5 people who are willing to go on that journey, we can like integrate like the bulk
Yeah.
lister and kind of
Yeah.
like get that journey kind of started too.
Yeah, we might have to have a discussion. I think just because it's not as easy to it is. I feel like you can get suspended easy. There's a lot of issues.
Right.
It's kind of closer to Amazon than it is to eBay, to be honest.
Right. But that's why
You know?
like that's why we need a group of people that are gonna
Okay.
cultivate that method, you know?
Yeah, I mean, I got 2 already. I got so try to get
Right.
more.
Right. Is anybody else here interested in TikTok shops?
Bro, I'll give you some time. I'd love to. I'm
Yeah,
gonna start Poshmark as well. Yeah.
I'm interested in TikTok shop because I normally do that before, but because we do from AliExpress and other sort of, so I really don't get sales on it. I usually do it before.
Nice. So you did TikTok shops before, yeah?
Yeah, and it is really massive. I mean, the reason why I stopped is because there's no much, I feel like there's no much product to upload like the eBay, Amazon to eBay. I keep on stressing myself to find different product to upload on there, and I do it manually. That's why I got tired of it.
Yeah, and Sammy, there's approvals for it too. Like you need approvals for like just like Amazon. So it's not like eBay. You can just list whatever. That's the thing.
Dude, I'm totally willing to be a guinea pig and get banned, man. I don't advertise on TikTok. Screw them, bro. So like I'm willing to get banned.
I don't think
to be honest,
I
bro,
don't
if the
think they
TikTok
ban
turns out
people.
to be very good, like it
I've
doesn't
never
matter if there's a
seen no
process
one
of
they
signing
get
up
banned.
as well.
So Merciful, like is it true like there's approvals for the items that you're uploading? Like how was the process, yeah?
To me, it was really like straightforward for me because everything was done on my phone. Like it was really straightforward. I did everything on my phone and I used Shopify to upload through what's it called, to list. But because I'm always stressed, like I stress too much to find product to list on it because you can't just list anything on TikTok like
Why
eBay.
not?
I feel like they have certain product that is selling on TikTok. I mean, not
Well,
all kind of
let me
products.
ask you something. Like in the same way with eBay, it's not like you list 10,000 items and 10,000 sell, right? You maybe get 400 or 500 of them that actually sell.
No,
So-
that's not the case. I mean, the thing is, they have certain kind of product that is allowed on TikTok shop. That's the main thing there. Like, you're not allowed to sell some maybe laptop stuff like that. I'm just using as an example.
Gotcha.
Yeah, so
So
you're
just
not
home
allowed.
and garden, yeah?
Yeah, exactly. Like all this garden stuff, maybe patio stuff like that. You can't sell it on TikTok. So they have their own products that you can actually sell on TikTok.
Yeah, even some simple items like Tide or some shit, you got to get approvals
Exactly.
for a lot of items.
Gotcha.
I've already
Like what-
sold on it too.
Gotcha.
What kind of items was it selling? Merciful, did you have like any success selling it? I assume that it's going to be items that are catered towards younger generation, just because of the capacity of TikTok is usually the younger generation.
I can't really say, but to my own knowledge, I feel like it's because of their home policy and some people. I just feel like most of it is basically something that is cheap. To my own knowledge, I mean, selling on TikTok, like something that is very cheap, like electronics, using like car devices, all those stuff, clothing and all. So
I think
those.
Yeah. Go ahead, sorry.
Right. So those are the things that are easily, they sold on there. Like eBay, you can list anything, flowers, whatever you like, books, anything. But on eBay, on TikTok, it's not like that.
Gotcha.
Yeah, and Sammy, tracking is a big thing as well. You can't just you can't have no tracking. And even I feel like they kind of like check it more. If we use Track Taco.
TikTok also have their own fulfillment as well, like their own warehouse. I don't know if they have it in US, but they have it in UK here. So they can always help you fulfill whatever. You can always list from there as well. Or if you have what's it called, like all these AliExpress, dropshipping, all those kind of suppliers.
Yo, that's super interesting, bro. That's very interesting. But the problem is because the younger generation is on the platform mostly, yeah. Like we also got to think about how like since they're gonna be younger, they're less likely to purchase something that's
Yes.
that's gonna be they're not gonna have much of money, to be honest.
No,
No,
no, no,
you
no, no,
think
no,
you think
bro.
that,
Don't
but
say
that's
that,
not the
bro.
case. That's not the case,
I
bro.
don't know about the US, but UK right now, I'm telling you for real, like I think a lot is going on TikTok more than eBay right now.
Wow.
Bro,
Look, if that's the case, it's
it's
worth
good.
trying,
It's
bro.
good in the
Like
US too,
I just
bro.
assume because of the
Sorry?
generations, they'll have like this money. So
No, it's not just it's not the younger generation. Actually, I feel like most of the people buying from the shops are people who are like older. So
And
Or
I can
they're
tell you for a
impulsive.
fact. I can tell you for a fact in
Yeah.
the UK here, before they search anything on eBay, I believe they've already searched it on TikTok. I mean, something that they can easily get on TikTok. The reason why I say that is that because they find some of them cheap on TikTok.
Very interesting. Very interesting. Yeah, no, I like one thing I'll comment, right? Like just like when Facebook Marketplace when they enabled shops over there, or like when they allowed not dropshipping, but selling or collecting payments on Facebook Marketplace, the very beginning, the people who started over there, like they were making like a ton. And it's not because that there's more buyers on Facebook Marketplace, right? eBay is the second biggest e-commerce platform, right? It was because of the novelty of sellers, right? If you're first to market, you're always gonna have like that kind of edge.
oh, that's 100% true. That happened with Facebook as well. Facebook, when they first released advertising, the early birds got a lot of the investment, and they've got so much money out of it. But to be honest, the reason why, like I was talking about like the younger generation, because we don't really have that traditional thing came to Australia just yet. So you guys might be having completely different experience, but we don't really have that TikTok shop kind of blowing up here. But a lot of the people that I follow for Amazon private label, they are all talking about it, and then like it's so G'd up at the moment.
Honestly, it would be nice. It would be nice if you can give it a shot. But the thing is, we are trying to avoid all this sizable stuff, and those are the things that are common. I mean, like people are really buying on TikTok anything like wares, electronics, like car electronics device. I mean, a lot of things. You can just try to check what they are selling on TikTok. Then that is how you will find out what you can actually list on TikTok.
I think it's like gadgets that can go viral in videos, that kind of stuff.
Yeah. Even books do good. Merciful, did you have an experience like where, because I feel like they ban you a lot for like if a buyer even says, "Oh, I didn't receive the item,"
no,
even if you have proof.
Honestly, I've never seen anyone, because I have a lot of people. I mean, like content creator, I have a lot of influencers doing TikTok shop, and they've never had any issue. Yeah, as long as you're doing what you're supposed to do, and it's easy to even open. You don't even need to follow anybody. You just need to open the account. If it's 0 followers, just like eBay too, then you're good to go. Yeah.
So just to be clear, like I don't think eBay is any easier. It's just like we found out a lot of the problems. If somebody like starts eBay dropshipping today without any guidance, like they're gonna get suspended. Much harder today than it was like 7 years ago. You know what I mean?
Well, Merciful, you said that you use Shopify to upload to TikTok Shop?
Yeah, you can use Shopify, you can use CJ Dropshipping, you can use Ali Expert. It's on there. They have so many suppliers you can connect with. And also, if you have something like Shopify, like your own suppliers,
if you had your own, like, if you had, let's say, upload all the products to your own Shopify store, and then you can upload it to TikTok Shop.
Yeah. So there's also a website called Bonanza for the US sellers. Mark told me about it. You're gonna get like an extra 10%, maybe 15% in sales just by like integrating pushing all your eBay listings to Bonanza, yeah? Because the way Bonanza works is the way they advertise is they push everything to Google Shopping, and then Google Shopping like just gets organic traffic from online, yeah? So anybody who wants to kind of just make an extra 10%, like that's a way, yeah?
Hey, yo.
You linked to Bonanza.
I'm doing it right now.
Right. Like they have like one-click import from like your entire eBay store. Like you can just push everything and it's gonna go to Google Shopping, yeah? And that's how eBay kind of advertises.
How do you do that again, Sammy? I missed that part out.
This is for US. I'm not sure about Australia. But in Bonanza, there's a way to kind of import all your items from eBay, and then they're
What's
just
Bonanza? Is that like a platform?
it's like another eBay, but it's like much less traffic. But the
Okay.
important part of it is that they just push everything to Google Shopping. You get more exposure.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
More exposure
Right. So
means exactly.
it's
Yeah.
called Bonanza, yeah?
Bonanza. Yeah, exactly.
Gotcha. I'll look into this. I'm not sure if I have it. Never heard of it before though.
Yeah, yeah. So, Farouk, do you have any other questions?
No, brother. Thank you so much for your time.
All right, no worries.